Did you know a teenager once fooled the entire world with nothing but a typewriter and stolen uniforms? In 1964, 16-year-old Frank Abagnale walked into Pan Am headquarters wearing a fake pilot's uniform. For the next 5 years, he lived 8 different lives: airline pilot, doctor, lawyer, all completely fake. But his real genius wasn't the costumes, it was the money. Frank discovered that new Xerox machines could copy security features that banks thought were impossible to forge. He studied check paper under microscopes, learning every watermark and security thread. While banks relied on manual verification, Frank was already 10 steps ahead. He cashed fraudulent checks in 26 countries, always staying one identity ahead of the FBI. By age 21, Sapacio Simpiskadsense Abauj, he had stolen over $2.5 million. His techniques were so advanced that banks had to completely redesign their security systems. When they finally caught him, the FBI made him an offer: join us or go to prison. Today, Frank Abagnale helps catch the criminals he once was.